Dude, I'm back again.
Comedy Corner, it's been like fucking
Comedy
months.
Corner, it's been like fucking months.
Lyrics for Bo.
You know who this is. I've heard this song, Mike has not heard this song. This song is the most brilliant thing I've ever heard in my life.
I'm the only one in here, so I'm gonna turn my own headphones for myself.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Trying to make microwave popcorn in a microwave. I am on that wave. I am on that wave. Trying to make microwave popcorn. Take the packet of the plastic. Reading the directions on the back of the package. Over red and vodka, you're a savage. I put the packet on the glass. What glass? A little glass dish in the microwave.
Got it.
I close the door. Which door? The door to the microwave.
What is wrong with you?
You follow all the rules when you're a studious guy. Insert the packets at the power to high. Cook for 1.5 minutes to 2.5 minutes. Kind of a wide range. Trying to make microwave popcorn in a microwave. I am on that wave. I am on that wave. Trying to make microwave popcorn. The popcorn's done. I open up the door. I take it out. God damn, that's hot. Super hot. Makes sense. I make my thingy. I open up the packet. It smells smoky and the kernels are black shit. I burned it. I burned it. Yes, for real. Do you think you're helping by saying all this? I've given up. I'ma eat a bag of skinny pop. I look back at the microwave. Wait a minute. How'd I miss this button? There's a button and the button says popcorn. On the microwave. I am on that wave. I am on that wave. Trying to make microwave popcorn. Trying to make microwave popcorn.
There you go. Just tells you. If you don't know how to make it,
There's a button.
Bo he just told you.
And if you're not about
Don't
the
burn it.
button,
You'll
buy
smell it.
yourself some skinny pop. Or smart food. I like smart food.
Yeah,
popcorn.
I'll cook it on the stove, maybe.
That's fun. If you don't put the cover on it.
But you'll smell it if the shit burns. I mean, sometimes I'll let it go a little longer.
Well, I mean,
just
if
get
it
some
stops burning, or if it stops popping,
extra- Then stop. There you go.
you should take it out.
Yeah, because there'll be like some extra kernels. It might take an extra
Yeah.
few seconds.
Yeah, if it goes longer than 5 seconds,
We're telling you how to make that shit.
pull it out of the oven quick.
Yeah, because you smell that shit. And
Yeah.
you're like, oh, burn.
Or like the stovetop ones where like you can like the metal one is like pop 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 pop,
Metal dome.
and then you can eat it out of it.
Fuck, I need to buy some of those. It's been forever. Yeah.
We should have cooked some of those and then reacted to this.
Jiffy and microwave.
Yeah, and smart food. 'Cause
Boom.
I like white cheddar smart food popcorn.
Oh my god, I don't buy it. I'll eat the whole bag in one sitting.
Sorry, it's popcorn.
It's like crack.
Of course, you can. It's popcorn.
It's like crack. You won't even get fat.
Yeah. Smart food. You have to eat the whole bag.
You get something right there. You get something in your ear. Hold on. We're out.
Did you get it?
Is he okay? Look.
Nope.
Alert.